We are going to make a simple homemade bioenzyme that is excellent for the vegetable garden. It gives your plants gentle nutrition, supports healthy soil life, and even works as a mild pest repellent. Let's start the process together in a very easy way you can follow at home. First, collect some orange peels and dry them nicely in the sun. Spread them out in a thin layer so air can pass around them. After a few days of good sunlight, the peels will become completely dry and crunchy. When they snap easily in your hand, they are ready. Put these dried peels into a blender and grind them into a coarse powder. This powder will break down much faster in the liquid and release all the goodness locked inside the peels. Take a bigger bottle or any sturdy container you have. It should be strong and have enough space at the top. Put the orange peel powder inside the bottle. After that, pour clean water into it until the bottle is about half full. Do not fill it to the top because we need some empty space for gases that will form during fermentation. Next, add a few tablespoons of molasses. Molasses is very important here because it provides natural sugars that feed the helpful microbes. These microbes are what turn our simple mixture into a powerful bioenzyme. Mix everything well so the molasses dissolves and spreads evenly through the water and powder. Make sure the bottle still has some empty space at the top. This is very important because fermentation will create gases like carbon dioxide. If the bottle is filled completely, pressure can build up and cause trouble. Close the lid, but it should have a tiny hole in it or be slightly loose so the gas can slowly escape. Some people also open the lid for a second every few days just to release pressure. Keep the bottle in a warm place away from direct sunlight. You will start noticing small bubbles and a slightly sour smell after a few days. That means the fermentation has started. Now you may wonder why we leave this mixture for weeks. The reason is simple. During this time, natural microbes slowly break down the orange peel powder and molasses. They convert complex materials into simpler nutrients, organic acids, and natural enzymes that plants can easily use. The longer the mixture sits, the more complete this process becomes. With more time, the liquid becomes richer, smoother, and more beneficial for the garden. It also becomes more stable and gentle on plants when you use it later. If you stop too early, the mixture will not have reached its full strength. That is why patience is important here. In our case, we have left the mixture for 2 weeks. You can leave it even longer if you want a stronger solution. After 2 weeks, you will see that the color has deepened and the smell has turned into a mild, sour citrus smell. Now the bioenzyme is ready to use, but we cannot use it directly because it is too strong. We need to dilute it with water. Take some of the fermented liquid and mix it with more clean water. A simple ratio like 1 part enzyme to 20 parts water is good for spraying on leaves. For soil application, you can dilute it even more, like 1 part enzyme to 50 parts water. Once diluted, you can use this mixture in 2 ways. First, you can pour it around the base of your plant so it feeds the roots and improves soil life. The beneficial microbes and nutrients will support healthy growth and stronger roots. Second, you can spray it on the leaves as a gentle foliar feed and a mild pest repellent. Always spray in the early morning or evening when the sun is not too strong, so the leaves do not get stressed. Use this bioenzyme every few weeks in your garden. Over time, you will notice better plant health, greener leaves, and stronger growth. It is a natural, low-cost, and eco-friendly way to support your vegetables.